Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Uh, in this video, we're going to discuss about check-in. What is check-in? For beginners, check-in is a process where you go to the check-in counter of the respective airline. You show them the ticket. They will verify the details on the ticket against your photo ID card, and they will physically check you in on the system along with your luggage. They will issue you a boarding pass, and if you have a check-in luggage, they will also give you a baggage tag for your check-in luggage. So check-in basically is similar but not the same for domestic and international. For a domestic passenger, the check-in is much simpler. So a passenger can check in on the airline website. He can web check in, and he doesn't need to technically report to the airline counter to for any particular thing. He can directly proceed towards the boarding if the passenger does not have a check-in luggage. But for an international flight, even if the passenger has a web check-in boarding card, the passenger has to report to the airline counter and show the respective passport and other fill the respective forms to proceed for immigration and customs. So what is the process as a check-in counter for domestic? That let's discuss this first. At the domestic check-in, when a passenger comes to the counter, the respective airline check-in staff verifies the ticket. They will check the sector to which the passenger is flying. When I say sector, it is the routing. For example, Hyderabad to Mumbai, that is the sector. And they will also verify the flight number, the number of the departure flight. Every flight has allocated number to it. They will check the flight number. Then also they will check the date of travel on the ticket. After that, they will punch in the details on the system, and when they put in the details, they will ascertain if the booking of the passenger is confirmed, and they will ask the passenger to show a photo ID card just to make sure the right passenger is traveling with the correct ticket. After the passenger identity is proven with the photo ID card, the passenger is checked in on the flight, and in case a baggage is there, the passenger baggage is put on the baggage weighing belt. Baggage is weighed, as in the weight of the baggage is checked. If it is within the guidelines specified by the airline, the dimensions, the weight, the baggage is checked in immediately and dispatched to the baggage makeup area. We will discuss about the baggage makeup area much later. During this dispatch, the baggage has to be screened by the airport. So baggage screening is done through the X-ray facility available for baggage checking. In the X-ray machine, if there are any articles which are not permitted, the passenger might be called to open the baggage and verify the contents of the baggage. So for the passenger here, if suppose there are no objectionable articles and the baggage is within all the guidelines and dimensions, the boarding card and the baggage tag is given to the passenger, and the passenger proceeds towards the domestic boarding hall. Through the boarding hall, he goes to the boarding gate, which we will talk about the boarding process in detail in the next video. Now we will discuss about the international check-in counter. At the international check-in counter, passenger reports with the ticket accompanied by his passport. So when a passenger is at the counter, the check-in staff, the staff who checks in the passenger, checks the flight details, verifies the name of the passenger against the passport. Passport is a mandatory document for any passenger who is flying on an international flight, except for Indian nationals, except for Nepal. For Nepal, you need a voter ID card. So after the passport verification is done, the check-in staff verifies the identity of the passenger against the name mentioned in the ticket. They will also verify the visa. They will verify the validity of the passport. Ideally, the passport has to be valid for minimum 6 months for any international travel to happen. Similarly, they will have to see if the visa is valid enough for the passenger to go to that particular country and come back, and any other guidelines or circular issued by that country has to be ascertained, and any health guidelines or any other security guidelines which the particular country has put forward. After all these are verified, the baggage is checked in. If it is coming under the baggage dimensions mentioned by the airline and the government of India, the baggage goes through the screening, and it is segregated at the baggage makeup area, from where it will be dispatched to the aircraft. We will discuss about the baggage makeup area in detail in our next videos. So this is there is one more aspect which is done at the check-in counter. All international passengers are given immigration forms to fill up, which they will have to fill and proceed towards the immigration. So friends, that's it about the check-in for domestic and international. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.